Here comes the band. Ganda. We don't lose ourselves to love, di ba? Just thinking on my side. Kasi, nasa New York kami nun eh. Iniwan niya ako kasi may kasalanan ako. Ako pala may kasalanan. So, umiyak ako kasi hindi ko kaya bayaran yung apartment. Ayan. Nanay ko nandyan, walang niya. But then I spent so many nights thinking how we did it wrong. Eh, may boyfriend naman siya. So, siya talaga may kasalanan niya. Hindi ako. And I grew strong. And nag-take ako ng board exam dito sa California. Oh, diba? Kaya ko na magbayad ng apartment. So, and I learned how to get along. And now, you're from outer space. I can trust you to find me when I look at your face. Choose not at your face, your dignity. If I know for 1 second, not to follow you. When I go, walk out the door. Let's say the rest. Now, show us what was meant for. Don't you want to try to hurt me inside? You think I fumble? Did you think I played that on my side? Yan. Lumipat na ako dito sa California. Pasado na ako sa boards. Then, wala na siya, pero na-meet ko naman kayong lahat, di ba? So, masaya pa rin. And so,